This is how you go about finding the reference for a pre-1858 probate record using the Norfolk Record Office online catalogue. So these are for ecclesiastical courts, so this would be the Norwich Consistory Court, the Norfolk Archdeaconry Court, the Norwich Archdeaconry Court, and the peculiar courts too. So if you go to the quick search section and then go to probate records, you can just search from this page here. We're going to look for an individual called William Chesterton. You have to put it in quotation marks, surname first, Chesterton, comma, William, and close your quotation marks. We are not going to differentiate between wills, administrations or inventories. We're just going to search for William Chesterton. We have 3 entries. So the first one is Blacksmith of Southery, dated 1724. It was proved in the Norwich Consistory Court. We also have an inventory for William Chesterton of Southery, 1724 to 5. Also Norwich Consistory Court, and then we also have an ironmonger of Downham Market for 1775. So let's have a look what it says for the blacksmith of Southery for the will. Okay, so we can see the reference for this will is NCC Will Register Lawrence 16, so that's the folio number there for 1724. If you were able to get into the record office, then you could look at this will on microfilm number 432. If you are unable to get to the record office, you could go to the Norfolk Record Office web page, which is archives.norfolk.gov.uk, and you can go to our services page, and then it will tell you how you can order a printout of this document. If you want to have a look at you're more interested in the inventory, I think these are the same person, so it would be advisable to look at both of them. And I think being a blacksmith, I think there'll be lots of really interesting information in that inventory. So the inventory reference is DN/IMV 76A 19, and you'd write all this information that's at the top here if you wanted to order a copy of it from us. Otherwise, if you can get into the record office, it is available on MFX 21. If you've not used a microfilm reader before, there are staff on hand who will be able to advise you how you can do that.